Hello everyone. Come take a look at the wiring for this smart switch. All you tech-savvy folks really need to watch this video to the end. I've posted several issues about wiring before, and I know you still have questions. This time, I'm gonna delve even deeper and explain further about smart switches. Look here at my smart switch. It's only connected to a live wire and a neutral wire. See? Just one live and one neutral wire. Now, if you look over here, this smart switch is connected to 4 sets of lighting wires. It's a 4-gang switch, but this one also includes 2 additional scene controls. The principle is the same for all. You can only control up to 4 lights. The additional scenes allow for the execution of on and off commands for those lights. I'll give you all a demonstration in just a bit. The same principle applies. The smart switch also requires a neutral wire and a live wire. Some of you may ask, do they need to be connected by a network cable to control? The answer is no, you don't need that. You just need to create a linkage. They can be bound to each other. Take a look here. There are no other wires, no other connections. Make sure you see this. This is what the actual wiring of a smart switch looks like. All right, let's take a look at a demonstration. Here we have 4 sets of lights, see? Now, let me use this switch to trigger another switch to trigger another switch through linkage. Watch closely, there are no wires connecting them. Let me show you again, it's like magic. All right, let's turn it on. See that? All switches can be linked, right? With one switch, we can control them all, or just 2. Both are possible. Look here, Ultraman can shut down all the switches. Look here, Ultraman can shut down all the switches. This is smart switch communication via the network. Thank you for watching, and if you still have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.